नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today the celebrations starts. 18th batch Inner Awakening Inauguration Day. Today the 18th batch Inner Awakening starts, Day 1. 15th batch Ingenious, Day 1 Inauguration. And 15th batch Nirahara Samyama, Level 1. Today we are starting. Today 537 people already registered. 500 and sorry, the number is updated now. 702. 702 have registered for the Nirahara Samyama, and so far 702 have registered, still coming in. And first time we opened the Nirahara Samyama one way and on TV also, because I have added a Kriya which can directly support people to practice the Nirahara Samyama. It's like a kindling of the awakening, kindling of the Kundalini energy, awakening of the Kundalini energy without my physical presence, without directly me looking into them and initiating. For that I have developed a Kriya. So with this Kriya, people will be able to practice wherever they are. They will be able to practice the Nirahara Samyama. And 7th batch Di Samyama is starting. 7th batch Di Samyama. Lot of registrations have happened. Still registrations are coming in. So we do not know the number as on now. But 7th batch Di Samyama. Today it is starting. And I have a very special and exciting announcement. Today, the first batch of Enriching Initiation. $482 people have registered to receive this initiation so far. 482. Some more coming in. Till this moment, 482 have been registered to receive the initiation for enriching. This is an exclusive and extraordinary initiation that will initiate you into the space of being enriched. Please understand, enriching is a being you carry. So doing happens like you are breathing. If there is a being in the body, breathing happens automatically. Same way, if your being is enriched, enriching happens like a breathing. So it is the enriching initiation is the reason why Sundareshwara and Meenakshi are here. Sundareshwara and Meenakshi are here with the special decoration of remembering their pastime leelas, their pastimes. It is the special decoration called Karikuruvikku Ubadesam Seidabadalam, means the initiating a black sparrow. Sundareshwara teaching and initiating to a black sparrow. There is a beautiful story behind this decoration. The deity which is with the 4 hands is Shiva, and the deity in the side with the 2 hands is Meenakshi. And the Shiva's pastimes, when he assumed the human body in Madurai and played different leelas. Of course, he was called with the name Sundareshwara. Shiva was called as Sundareshwara, and he is the founder of our Sampradaya, the Vedic tradition. He is the founder. So there was a king, Sugunapandiyan. That king begged Shiva that even if I miss you, I forget you, due to some reason, you should not leave me. You should come again and again after me. You should not give up on me and initiate me in all 3 planes. This was the deep prayer of Sugunapandiya, the king of Pandya kingdom. The Pandya kingdom was, this whole southern India was Pandyan kingdom that time, up to Orissa. So the Sugunapandiyan, this king, prayed to Mahadeva, Shiva, at any moment my logic denies you. I became devoid of your presence in my life. You should not give up on me. You should initiate me from all the 3 planes. The 3 planes means either in the dream or in the deep sleep state or in the waking state. These are the 3 planes: waking, dream or deep sleep. In all these 3 states, you should not give up on me. At some plane or all these 3 planes, you should initiate me and get me back to your presence. And I should gain back the beautiful feeling connection with you. The Sugunapandiya asks for this boon, and Mahadeva also gives. He says, Tatastu, so be it. I won't give up on you, even if you give up on me. So because of that commitment, when Sugunapandiya takes next birth as a black sparrow, this fellow, while he went for hunting, there is a law in hunting. You can't kill anything which you are not going to eat. You can kill only for your eating. That was the law of hunting, dharma of hunting in those days. This fellow killed a black sparrow out of fun, not for actual eating. See, if you don't have food and you kill for eating, that is not considered as crime. As per the Dharma, the Suguna Pandya goes and kills a black sparrow. Not for eating, you can't eat black sparrow, out of fun, just for fun. Because he killed the black sparrow out of fun, he has to take the same birth of black sparrow. So he was cursed, Suguna Pandya was cursed to take a birth of black sparrow, and he lost his feeling connection with Mahadeva, Sundareshwara, and he was in the forest, completely lost. But Mahadeva sends one of his Bhutagana, that Bhutagana goes and stands under the tree where that black sparrow was sitting and starts loudly talking about the Shiva Leelas, which happened when Suguna Pandya was a king. The moment that sparrow heard all the stories, he regained the memory. He regained the memory, but he does not know what to do. He just only regained the memory of previous birth, and he starts crying. Then Sundareshwara appears in the dream of the sparrow, black sparrow, and says, "Come on, I am here in the Madurai." And the bird, black sparrow, flies to Madurai. Sundareshwara takes the black sparrow in the hand and initiates, gives Mrityunjaya mantra, initiation, and Panchakshara, the Mahamantra, Namah Shivaya, as initiation. With that initiation, the black sparrow completes all the karmic baggage and is liberated. So that story is described here in this Alankara, in this Leela Alankara, means the decoration based on the pastimes of Mahadeva, Sundareshwara. Of course, for God you can't tell pastimes, present time also. There is no pastime for him. He continues. What he did in the past, he does in the present, he is going to do in the future. So there is no past for him. He continues. This is the Alankara in which today Sundareshwara and Meenakshi gracing us. Because today is an enriching initiation. And you will also see all the 21 days, coming 21 days, Sundareshwara and Meenakshi are gracing us in a different decorations related to the subject of that day Inner Awakening class. He has done all the Leelas which we learn on Inner Awakening. So, based on that day sessions, classes, Mahadeva will be gracing. First, enriching initiation. Please come to the space of listening. I request you all to come to the space of listening. True enriching is all about you being enriched and overflowing. And I tell you, again and again, the incompletions you create within you due to the remote past or the recent past is the reason you give up on you. It is like Even after 10 years, you need to fight with your spouse. You think, 10 years of my married life, even now I have to fight, means my whole life is going to be a fight. No, I give up on me or give up on this relationship. That is wrong. Because 10 years was in fighting mode, it is not that the remaining future has to be in fighting mode. No. Due to the incompletions, the 10 years was in the fighting mode. So complete those incompletions. The future will be in the completion mode. Listen. Listen. If there is an incompletion in the marriage, dropping the marriage is not solution. If there is an incompletion in your profession, dropping the profession is not solution. If there is an incompletion in your career, dropping the career is not solution. Sometime incompletion in the body or mind will be there. Dropping the body is not going to be the solution. Drop the incompletion. If there is a friction in the machinery, in the machine, dropping the machine is not going to be the solution. Lubricating only is going to be the solution. I could see in the life, unfortunately, it's very unfortunate. People always decide to drop the reason for the incompletion than to the cause of the incompletion. Listen, reason is different, cause is different. Reasons are caused. Cause cannot be reasoned. Reasons are caused, cause cannot be reasoned. Please come to the space of listening. Reason is different, cause is different. Reasons are caused, cause can never be reasoned. Unfortunately, you always try to drop the reason, drop the cause, drop the cause of incompletion. Drop what causes incompletion, not what you perceive as the reason for incompletion. If you think marriage is the reason for incompletion, career is the reason for incompletion, business is the reason for incompletion, either you try to drop them or you try to live with incompletion and the reason. But the solution is neither dropping the reason nor trying to continue to live with the reason. It is completing the cause of the incompletions. Completing the cause of the incompletions. Continue, 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 continue to complete with all the incompletions. I tell you, every time when you complete with all your incompletions, when you complete with yourself, you enrich you. You push yourself to the space of enriching. ध्यान से सुनिए, सही लाभान्वित करना आपके स्वयं लाभान्वित होने से ही संबंधित है। बार बार जो अपूर्णता आपके अतीत के कारण आप स्वयं में उत्पन्न करते हैं, आप स्वयं और दूसरों पर विश्वास को देते हैं। ये अपूर्णता का समाधान नहीं है, उन अपूर्णताओं के साथ पूर्णत्व करना ही सही समाधान है। संबंध, व्यवसाय, स्वयं के शरीर और मन में अपूर्णता से निकालने के लिए आप उस संबंध, व्यवसाय, शरीर और मन को छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए। अपूर्णता को छोड़िए। अपूर्णता के कारण को छोड़ना या उस कारण के साथ जीना समाधान नहीं है। अपूर्णता के मूल के साथ पूर्णत्व करना ही सही समाधान है। Understand? Dropping, completing with the cause of incompletions. Completing with the cause of incompletions is life. When you complete with the cause of incompletions, enriching starts. So all the participants today taking enriching initiation, who have registered for enriching initiation from all over the world, today you will have the sacred thread tied in the spot where your pulse is felt, where your heartbeat is felt, as a symbol of enriching initiation. The Guru Walk for all of you is reasons can be caused, cause cannot be reasoned. So complete with the cause of incompletions. Complete with the cause of incompletions. That is the first Guru Walk. Second, let your being be enriching. Let your being be enriching. How much ever they tried to stop me, no one could stop, because my being is in enriching. I was denied of even my basic rights, talking. There was a time, maybe all our devotees forgot, but history cannot forget this. There was a time I was denied of my basic rights, human rights, even talking. And in the country where it's a constitutional right, even then, no one was able to stop me doing enriching, because my being was enriching. No one is able to stop my being doing enriching. The only cause for my causeless auspiciousness is I am continuously being enriched. And I am continuously enriching. Because I am enriched, I am enriching. Because I am enriching, I am enriched. When something becomes cause and reason in your life, you are complete. Enriching is cause and reason of my life. It causes my life and it is the reason for my life. Enriching causes my life. Enriching is a reason for my life. Let enriching become cause of your life, and let enriching become reason for your life. Let enriching be the answer why you are alive and why you want to live. For both questions, let enriching be the answer. So this is the next Guruvak for all the enriching initiation participants. Listen, two Guruvak for you. One, don't drop the reasons for your incompletion. Complete the cause of your incompletion. Second, listen. Second, the cause of your life and reason for your living, let both be enriching. Somebody asks why you are alive, why you want to live. For both questions, let enriching be the answer. So with these two Guruvak, I initiate all the participants who have enrolled for enriching initiation. I shower, bless you all with my integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, with my enlightened inner space of an incarnation. I bless you all. Let all of you be in the space of being enriched. Let enriching be the cause and reason for your life and living. Let enriching happen and use you and your life to express its all the auspicious energies, including enlightenment. मैं सभी लोगों को जो लाभान्वित करने की दीक्षा रहे हैं, उन्हें ये दो गुरुवाक देता हूँ. जब आप अपूर्णता के मूल के साथ पूर्णत्व करते हैं, तब लाभान्वित करना आरंभ होता है. लाभान्वित करना आपके जीवन का कारण और मूल होना चाहिए. अपूर्णत्व के मूल स्थिति से जब आप पूर्णत्व लाते हैं, आपका जीवन आरंभ होता है. With this, I initiate all the participants registered for enriching initiation as enrichers. I'll move to the next step, Nirahara Samyama, 15th batch Nirahara Samyama. Please come to the space of listening. All the Nirahara Samyama participants, all the 702 as on now who have registered for the Nirahara Samyama level 1, level 2, level 3, the sadhana viewers who registered through online or two-way video conferencing or one-way through Nityananda TV, for all of you, please listen. First thing, people having health issues like heart disease or diabetes, better you consult your doctor once. Better you consult your doctor. His enlightenment is right for you. Anyhow, it's a legal disclaimer. Let me come to the point. Now, listen. Nirahara Samyama is not fasting, and it is neither feasting. Unfortunately, your everyday life itself has become feasting. It is neither feasting nor fasting. Step by step, slowly awakening your bio-intelligence, bio-memory to produce energy directly from space. To produce energy directly from the space. Listen. So step by step, slowly, we awaken your biomemory, which has an intelligence to produce energy directly from the air, sunlight, and breeze, and the space. Through a proper kriya, it is possible. Let me give you the clear step-by-step instruction. First, today we start this Nirahara Samyama. Today and tomorrow. Next 48 hours means till day after tomorrow morning satsang, you will not take any solid food, but you will continue to have some juices, buttermilk, water, juices. Till 3rd July morning satsang, Wednesday morning satsang, you will not have any solid food. First, we are taking that component out of your system. And the kriya which you are going to learn now, you will do it continuously. Every day, morning once and evening once. It is just 20 minutes kriya, not more than that. You can do once in the morning, once in the evening. And for second level, I will give you another one kriya. It is the first level, means only for next 3 days you are going to do this kriya. Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, only these 3 days you are going to do this kriya. And any time you feel tired or fatigue or any sickness, feeling sick, dehydrated, you should start eating. You should break the samyama, you should start eating. You should not be continuing the kriya out of will. You should not be continuing the Nirahara Samyama out of will. Please listen. Nirahara Samyama should happen in you with the right context. When you create energy, when you create intelligence, when you create the enough energy in your bio-memory, bio-intelligence, automatically the food intake should reduce. So be very clear, today onwards I am giving you the Kriya to awaken your intelligence and reduce the food intake. But for some reason, if the Samyama has not started happening in you, means if you are feeling too hungry, fatigue, you should not be continuing the Nirahara Samyama. And every night before going to sleep, you should continuously do completion, at least 1 hour. Completion with all the past incompletions, which makes you powerless, which makes you experience conflict, contradictions. So, understand these simple instructions. If you are feeling tired or dehydrated, immediately you should break the Samyama. You should also have a water bottle with you, filled with water, continuously, once in half an hour. Whenever you feel your mouth is dry, you should sip a water. You should drink water. Keep yourself without getting dehydrated. Because first 2 days, more than tiredness, you will feel powerless. You always associate food with power. So you will feel powerless. You need to crash all that, your psychological drama. It is like, literally like a kids, how the kids do drama with the parents. Your body and mind will do drama with you. You may have to crash all those dramas. So, I'll move to the Kriya now. Please listen to the Kriya. The Kriya has 2 components. One, visualization and breathing. Please listen. Both you are expected to do simultaneously. Visualization is as if you inhale through each pore of your body and produce energy directly from the air, from the space, like a banyan tree. Please understand. Feel, cognize, you have become like a banyan tree. Like how banyan tree breathes through the whole, using the whole body. Through each leaf banyan tree breathes. Each leaf produces food. Same way, visualize you are breathing through the whole body and just like banyan tree, your bio-intelligence is producing food directly from the breeze, from the space, from the breeze, from the space. So understand, this is the visualization. The breathing process is inhale through both the nostrils and the mouth inhale through both the nostrils and the mouth, and hold as long as you are comfortable by closing both the nostrils and the mouth. Listen. Don't try to hold on for a long time. No. Hold as long as you are comfortable by closing the nostrils and the mouth. When you feel you can't hold anymore, slowly exhale. Slowly exhale through the nostril. Listen, let me show you. Inhaling through the mouth and the nostril and holding by closing the nostril and the mouth as long as you can, then slowly exhaling through the nostril by closing the mouth. While you are doing this, continuously cognizing your Bidadi Kalpa Vriksha, banyan tree, through each pore of your being, you are inhaling the energy, processing it and assimilating it, and releasing the unnecessary air. Means producing energy and food directly from the air. Do this Kriya for morning 21 minutes, evening 21 minutes. For these samyama also do the same Kriya. Second level Nirahara Samyama time, I'll change the Kriya, update the Kriya, means next level. For third level, I'll give you a different Kriya. So understand, अगर आप में कोई भी बीमारी है जैसे कि डायबिटीज या बीपी, आप पहले हम सूचना देना चाहते हैं कि यह संयमा करने से पहले आप आपके डॉक्टर को संपर्क करें। अब हम निराहार संयमा को आरंभ करेंगे। आप में उपस्थित जीव ऊर्जा सीधे आकाश और वायु से उत्पन्न किया जा सकता है। इस क्रिया के साथ आप उस स्थिति को अनुभव कर पाएंगे। आप में आपको एक शक्तिशाली क्रिया के बारे में बताऊंगा। आज से अगले 3 दिनों तक हर दिन सवेरे 1 घंटा और शाम 1 घंटा आपको यह क्रिया करना पड़ेगा। आज, कल और परसों आपको यह क्रिया करना होगा। कोई महसूस करते हैं, कोई भी समय अगर आप थकावट महसूस करते हैं तो तुरंत आहार ले लीजिए और इस क्रिया के साथ साथ हर रात आपको लगातार पूर्णत्व क्रिया करना पड़ेगा। उन सभी अपूर्ण और अधूरे सोच, शब्द, भावनाएं और घटनाओं के साथ आपको पूर्णत्व लाना है। So, every night, all the root patterns related to food and other root patterns you feel whole day, other patterns you feel whole day, you should sit and complete with it. Complete with it. So, Now, with this, we will start the Nirahara Samyama level 1. People who want to join the Nirahara Samyama, you can join till Wednesday. After Wednesday, you cannot join. You have to join only in the next batch. Whether it is Nirahara Samyama or Di Samyama, you can join either today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. After Wednesday, you cannot join in Di Samyama or Nirahara Samyama. Di Samyama also you can join till Wednesday, but not after that. So, all the Di Samyama participants and Nirahara Samyama participants, as on now, the number is 742 and still counting. अब क्रिया के बारे में ध्यान से सुनिए. आपके दोनों नाक के नथने और आपका मुंह के साथ सांस लीजिए. उसके बाद आपका नाथने और मुंह को पूर्ण तरह से बंद कीजिए और सांस को अंदर रोक के रखिए. उतनी देर जितनी देर आप उसको आसानी से रोक सकते हैं. जब आप सांस को और रोक कर अंदर नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, तब आपको अपना मुंह बंद रखे अपने सांस को अपने नाथनों के द्वारा सांस छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So, with this, we will start the Nirahara Samyama Kriya. जब आप यह सांस की क्रिया कर रहे हैं, साथ साथ चेतना भरा कल्पना के साथ कीजिए कि आप एक वटवृक्ष है और जीव ऊर्जा के सीधे आकाश और वायु से उत्पन्न कर रहे हैं. आप यह क्रिया को हर दिन 21 मिनट सवेरे और शाम को कीजिए. अगले 3 दिनों तक please sit straight, close your eyes. Now sit straight, close your eyes. Cognize you have become Bidadi Kalpavriksha, huge banyan tree, and inhale through both the nostrils and mouth. Hold the breath inside you as long as you can, and exhale slowly when you can't hold the air anymore. I bless you all with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Let all our biointelligence be intensely awakened and produce the energy directly from space, living health, bliss and enlightenment. Namah Shivaya. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.